The definitive street fighter, Triumph Street 765R and the A2 variant gain a dark, uncompromising phantom black paint scheme, with sharp Diablo Red accents and the R emblazoned on the tank outlined in pure white gloss. The Street 765RS gets a sophisticated yet sporty look, featuring granite bodywork and color-matched flyscreen and seat cowl, with a splash of Kingfisher Blue, enhancing the RS race-bred profile. The renowned 765 RS engine delivers a category-leading power of 130 PS, with more torque at 80 Nm, and is also more responsive and faster accelerating. The Street RRS features new 12mm wider handlebars plus revised geometry, with a steeper rake and raised back end, for nimbler handling, faster turning and a more commanding riding position. Premium specification. The Street RRS's premium specification is completed by a slip and assist clutch, full LED lighting with distinctive DRL, front wheel lift control, USB charging socket and immobilizer. FULL color TFT instruments, 5-inch TFT instruments and ergonomically optimized switch cubes offer intuitive system navigation. The My Triumph connectivity system is pre-enabled, ready for the accessory Bluetooth module. The RS comes equipped with top specification Showa 41mm upside-down big piston forks and an Öhlins piggyback reservoir rear shock. Fully adjustable, these can be fine-tuned for the ideal setup on road or track. High-performance Pirelli Supercorsa SPV3 tires come fitted as standard, offering racetrack levels of grip and outstanding high-speed stability, all from a fully road-legal tire. New Brembo Stylema 4-piston radial monoblock calipers matched to 310mm discs guarantee the highest level of stopping power. Linked for maximum efficiency with cornering ABS for enhanced safety. With an 836mm seat height, an accessory low seat is also available to reduce the height by 28mm. Plus Triumph dealers can additionally lower the seat a further 10mm through a dedicated rear suspension linkage adaptation equipped with race-spec Triumph Shift Assist up and down shifter, a dedicated track mode and lap timer, together with revised geometry for sharper steering. The Street RRS is ready for track action.